whatever. All this ever but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal.
Hi friends, today we are going to Kolkata after 2 years of this COVID period. After that, we are now going to Kolkata today. So we are very excited because Durga Puja is there. So we will enjoy Durga Puja this year, and we all are going. My daughter is having online classes, so she is sitting with a book and see what he is reading. My husband is very excited. We are all very excited. In the car only she is doing online classes, but what to do? Because she is also equally excited to go to Kolkata and to see Durga Puja and a lot of food, lot of bishti, lot of sweets, lot of dishes, and there are a lot of variety of makeup, sarees, and all these things. We have done COVID test of my daughter because till now the vaccine is not it's not there. So we have done RT-PCR test for her, and it is negative. Thank God it is negative. I know nothing will be happen, but still we were waiting for 24 hours to get her certificate. So we have received all the things, all the documents, and I have already done vaccine. So I am vaccinated. To both the doses I have done. Even my husband has also done both the doses. So our certificate is ready. But because of the children, their vaccine is not. Still now it is not there. So that is why we have done COVID test. So it is negative. And this is mandatory for traveling. Because in airports they are going to see all these things. So now we are excited that our luggage, we have packed our luggage, we had our lunch. Now we are proceeding towards airport. So let's see what is there.
Down, down, down for you. I'm rushing away for you, the way for you, the way for you. Don't need a romance. I'm rushing away for you, the way for you, the way for you. Don't need a romance. Baby, it's whatever. All this ever but you.
So now we are standing in front of the airport, Bangalore airport. This is Bangalore airport. So we are all ready and the papers are ready. Boarding passes, paper and COVID restrictions, all the certificates, everything we have kept it ready so that when we will enter, we can show them.
The weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette.
So here, very tight restrictions is here. Everybody is wearing masks, sanitizer, and COVID protocol we have to maintain. So here we can see 3-4 lanes. So from 3-4 lanes we have to cross and then only we can enter the main gate. We have crossed only 2 lanes. Now this is the third. Then we will enter the 4th lane. So after scanning, now we will enter into the gate. So they are the police. They are standing. The security guard. They are standing and they will check all the things. So our papers are ready for COVID certificate. Everything is ready. Now we will enter.
देखता हूँ, मैं भी यूट्यूब में सर्च करूँगा।
हाँ श्योर।
वन इज क्लियर, हमें 3 ट्रैवलर्स ना।
चैनल का नाम तो नहीं पता उसको।
पता नहीं, सिर्फ पता कर जाएगा जो यूट्यूब में रोज
ट्रैवल टीवी।
ओके। तो क्या करें?
Now we are proceeding towards the counter where we will boarding pass is already with us, but baggage we have to give baggage, and so we are proceeding towards that, so that we can scan our baggage, and then we will just hand over these baggages.
Okay, one by one, right?
So we are collecting printing for bag tax. So we have to scan it first scanning, and then one by one the printout will come out.
Don't need a no man, like and I'm better. You had to go back where you came from, now you're bitter. Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna be you for real. But if it don't play that.
So we kept our luggage over there. It is a waiting machine. So after that we left our luggage, and now we are proceeding again. So we are going up. Now here is the security check-in. So we are here standing at the security check-in. So our flight is at 9:40, Bangalore to Kolkata, and it is a 9 number gate. So we are proceeding towards
1949, 1949.
1940. We are proceeding towards our gate, number 9. See the top and it's footpath. A huge lounge is there. The airport is very attractive. Lot of good shops, lot of hype, and all the good brands are here. So if people want to purchase anything, they can purchase. So now we are proceeding towards the launch, domestic launch. So we are now going towards the launch. So this is a huge launch where people are sitting. So we have taken tickets so that we can have some snacks over here. So here we will get buffet system. Here the things are in buffet system. Tea, coffee, burgers, like lot of things are here. Juices. So this is pad Thai noodles in rose sauce. This is aloo bhaji, Bombay aloo bhaji on chicken pav, peanut garlic podi, podi bus, and barbecue chicken. Wow, this is a babar. People want to have something, they can have it.
Chart.
This is chaat sector. So now I'm thinking what to have something. We should have something. I've seen roasted chicken, so I'm going to have some roasted chicken and coffee. So let me see. Where is the plate? Oh, got it. Here is the plate. let me have little bit of everything. I want to taste everything. So a little bit of Thai noodles. Barbecue chicken.
Rushing away to you, the way to you.
We're not eating bread. She's eating bread. She has taken my bread. Go and bring bread for me. And that side is coffee. So slowly we'll having our food. This is evening snacks. After evening snacks, we have flight at 7:30. 7:30.
7:40.
7:40 we have flight. So we have lot of time in between. Now what is the time?
Around 5:30.
So 5:30 now. So 5:30 to 7:40 is lot of time. So we are going to enjoy our food.
Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the way to you, the way to you. Don't need a no man.
Now I am just going towards Chaat. Come. So I want to have chaat. So I'm going there. Let's see what they had made. And I'll have some sweets as well. So that is why we are going there. So let's see first sweet. So here we have walnut cake, banana walnut cake, and some dairy gulchan. So what do you want to have? You can have this one. No. No? Ice cream is here. See, ice cream. No. No? Then chaat.
And when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the way to you, the way to you. Don't need
Thank you. Now we are going towards second gate, gate number 2. So it is already started boarding. Has started. So from launch we have come back. Now we are going towards gate number 2. So here is gate number 2.
brushing away to you, the way to you, the way to you. Don't need a no man.
Now we have arrived Kolkata. The time is near about 10:30. The weather is completely clear and the temperature is 29 degrees. It is quite moisture is there. So when we will go outside, we will feel little hot and warm. And I think we are going to sweat.
For me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me